everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making one of my favorites from the Cheesecake Factory, chicken taquitos. These crunchy rolled tacos are stuffed with corn, chicken, and cheese, and they get their spicy kick from pickled jalapenos and green hatch chilies. They're really easy to make, and with a little prep to get the filling and sauces ready, it's a quick fry and then time to devour these crispy bites of goodness. Take a look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. For the chicken, I'm going to poach 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs in water with some onion, cilantro, and cumin. Let this come to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. You can also use rotisserie chicken or any cooked chicken you have on hand. While the chicken is cooking, I'll make a quick avocado cream sauce. Blending 1 avocado, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Once your chicken is cooked, shred or dice it into bite-sized pieces. Mince 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and chop 2 teaspoons of pickled jalapenos, and add them to a large mixing bowl with a 1/2 cup of red enchilada sauce and a 1/4 cup of green hatch chilies. If you like your taquitos a little spicier, add up to a 1/2 cup of green hatch chilies. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano and 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, and blend this all together. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir to mix, and then add a 1/2 cup of corn. Add the cooked chicken and stir. And then add in about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. I'm using about half Monterey Jack and half cheddar. And then mix this all together. And our taquito filling is done. Next, to fry the taquitos, place about 1.5 to 2 inches of oil into a heavy bottom pan and heat to 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot, dip the corn tortillas into the oil to soften them, only for about 5 seconds, and then drain on paper towels. Scoop out about 1 tablespoon of filling into the tortilla and brush the top of the tortilla with the beaten egg, then roll to close it. The egg wash is going to help stick the tortilla together as it fries, so it doesn't pop open. This is the trickiest part. You don't want to overfill them or the tortilla will crack open, and when they do, I usually scrape out the filling and start with a new tortilla. The key to making these is assembling everything for the filling and the sauces and any sides like beans and rice ahead of time, so once the taquitos are done frying, everyone can eat while they're hot. Finish rolling all of your taquitos and then fry them in batches so that you don't overcrowd your pan. I'm frying 3 to 4 at a time in my 9-inch skillet. Fry for about 3 minutes until they're golden brown, turning them once or twice so that both sides fry. This recipe will make about 20 to 25 taquitos and can be made ahead of time and then heated up in a 350-degree oven, making them perfect for game day parties and Super Bowl snacks. After frying a few batches, skim the oil to remove bits of chicken, corn, and cheese that might have popped out. To serve these, just like the Cheesecake Factory Chicken Taquitos, place them on top of salsa verde, squeeze on some avocado cream sauce, and add pico de gallo and sour cream. These taste so amazing. Now you can enjoy these delicious rolled tacos at home, and they are such crowd pleasers. They're easy to make for game day and Super Bowl parties. If you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. And if you love to entertain, check out our Potluck Favorites playlist. And here's another recipe I think you'll like. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.